Hey guys, today we're making chocolate peppermint biscuits. Start by grating your chocolate on the side of the grater with the larger holes. Transfer the grated chocolate into a bowl and refrigerate till needed. In a large bowl, combine your butter and sugar and mix on low till smooth and creamy. If you have a stand mixer, this entire process will go a lot quicker, but if not, the hand mixer will do. Add in your flour, coconut, cocoa, and baking powder, and mix on low till it forms a soft dough. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides for any flour and mix it in well. Grease a 12-hole muffin tin and divide your dough equally. I'm using a 1.5 tablespoon ice cream scoop, but if you don't have one, a rounded tablespoon will do. Press the dough in lightly. This batter or this dough will rise, but it doesn't spread well, so this step is absolutely necessary. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. When you remove it from the oven and it's still hot, spoon over a heaped teaspoon of your chocolate mixture onto each biscuit. Allow it to cool slightly, and when it's cool enough to handle, transfer to a wire rack. Enjoy!